Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My Nesco harvest dehydrator quit working the other day, and I found out that it was the thermal fuse, which is right in here, and I had to pry these little clip things open in order to take the one that was in there, to take that out. And I'm going to see if I can set this camera up somehow so I can show you. So here's the tester. Put that on, get it so the glare's not on it. So here's the old one that was in there. And see if I can get both the tester and the thing in the same film here. Sorry, I'm moving around so much. Okay. So it's not doing anything there. It's that fuse blew out. And this is the new one. I don't know if I can get all of that in one screen. Yeah, put that way up I can. So one hand on that and the other one on that. So you can see that this fuse is working. So I'm going to put this thing back together, and hopefully the dehydrator is going to work again. And I ordered these thermal fuses from a place in Tennessee called HaP Diversified. Cost me $3.70, and I got 3 of them. So for some reason the first one goes out. I've got replacements, and that beat. I called Nesco to see like what it would cost for this top part of the dehydrator, and it was like close to $50 to get a new one. So if this $3.70 thing keeps this thing going and I can keep dehydrating stuff, I'm going to be quite happy. Anyway, that's my short little video for today. Hope you guys are doing well, and Happy New Year.